Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure Steam is current and you're signed into the correct account. This prevents mismatches. Once signed in, open Steam settings and enable Steam Cloud for that title so the client can communicate with Valve's servers. Make sure local saves aren't locked by antivirus or file permissions. Change them if needed. Also close the game before sync. These steps let Steam detect remote saves and prepare for a clean restore, rather than overwriting valuable cloud data. Now you force a fresh sync so the cloud state becomes visible. First, back up local save files to a safe folder. You don't want accidental loss. Then in Steam, right-click the game, open Properties, and verify the Steam Cloud option. Toggle it off and then on to prompt a sync. After toggling, exit Steam completely and relaunch the client. Steam will compare timestamps and sizes, and then download the cloud version if it determines the remote copy is newer. Finish by letting Steam download and apply the cloud saves. Monitor the sync icon and confirmations in the client. Once download completes, launch the game and verify your progress, settings, and checkpoints are present. If you still see older local files or missing progress, quit the game and restore your backup copy, or use the Steam console, steam/open/console, to fetch detailed sync logs and force cloud retrieval. If problems persist, check for account conflicts or contact Steam support with repro steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.